Okay, Julian, this is how you do it. So in each week, of course my computer will work. So let's jump to week 2. We're placing our vokies in the overview pages. So you want to go to your overview, and for most of the time I think I've already added that. One thing I knew I meant to say. You always have to turn your editing on. That's very important. Your editing has to be on before you even start. Okay, then you go to your overview page. Then you'll see is once the editing on, you'll see as I've already added an HTML block. If this wasn't sitting here though, then what you would do is you would go here and you would add an HTML block. But I've copied the code that you sent me in the email, so I'm going to edit this HTML block because that's exactly what we have is an HTML block. We're going to open the HTML, we're going to copy the code there, and we're just going to say week 2 message. And you're going to say save changes. You want to go ahead and refresh your browser because sometimes it won't show up right away. So just take it, it always does that. It always takes a second to show up. So there it is. So then what you want to do now is you want to go to week 4, make sure your editing is on. Go to your overview page, and there's already an HTML block sitting there, so you would just edit that. Let's go to week 6. And go to the overview page. And see, there is not an HTML block there sitting there, so I'll go ahead and add that one there for you now. I'm going to add an HTML block. And so you got to make sure your editing is on, otherwise this will not show up. You're going to go to the little hand and then you'll drop in your code. All right, I hope that helps. Bye.